Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn, Practice, Achieve. Exam time is here. Hope you are active with your preparation. To add to that, here we are with yet another interesting session. Today we are going to address the most requested topic, that is Social Studies paper presentation. Social studies is fun and interesting as it includes incidences or events that are happening or have happened around us. It majorly covers the core components like history, geography, civics, and economics. Paper presentation does play an important role as it helps and informs smartly organizing a subject knowledge in front of our examiner, making it easier for them to check the paper. Neat paper, legible handwriting, and appropriate answer will blend it together, help showcase the best in us. So, please be careful while filing all the informations on the first page. Do not fill them in a hurry. Check the answer booklet and prefer drawing a very narrow margin in the right corner. It is optional though. Let's quickly see the general paper pattern and marking scheme. Normally, almost all the papers that are of 80 marks, so SST paper is also of 80 marks, that is written part, and it contains 37 questions. Here is the split. Now something which bothers many of us is how much should I write according to the marks for a given question. So here is your answer. Total number of questions in the question paper is 37 and it is divided into 6 sections. Section A, question number 1 to 20, that are all 1 marks each and that are MCQ questions. Section B, question 21 to 24, they are very short answer questions and each question carries 2 marks and here your word limit is 40. Section C, question 25 to question 29, they are short answer type questions and each questions carry 3 marks and here the word limit is 60. Section D, question 30 to 33, they are long answer type questions and each question carry 5 marks and here the word limit is 120. Section E, question 34 to 36, they are case based questions. Each question carry 4 marks and here the word limit is 100. And section F, that is the last question, question number 37, that question is map based question. And here there are 2 types of map. One is history, that is of 2 marks, and one is geography, that is of 3 marks. Try to be very precise and answer directly to the point for any question given, except 1 marks question, that is MCQ. For questions like this, don't just write only the answer but frame it in a statement format. For analytical questions, where we are asked to analyze a particular statement, in most of the cases possible, try to positive about the statement. Whenever you are writing any statement, write positively with the statement given. Don't write any negative comment in that. Don't elaborate too much on a particular answer and be very specific. Not for short answers, the ones asked for 3 marks should be of this length, approximately around 10 to 15 sentences. Try answering them point-wise, one after the other. Answering point-wise make a big difference. Like how can you see here which one would you prefer for questions which have internal options. In your question paper, 37 questions are there, but there are only few questions have internal options. So you have to choose to write the answer which you know better. And the one that requires lesser time, long answers could be 18 or 20 lines approximately. That is 120 words question. Try to justify the answer in the given word limit. answering them point-wise. Now, if the question says write a notes on non-cooperation movement, then include all the relevant points. What were the probable reasons? Why it happened? Who led it? What were the outcomes? Try to include everything in short. Even by studying, do it in the same manner. Learn everything related to the possible event. If there are questions like difference between, then we have to write it in this way in two different columns with their respective points of differences. For question that asks you to justify the given statement, then first rewrite the statement and add this is because and mention the respective point below. If it is a map question, you have to do it very carefully and remember to plot all the points. That will be getting just one map to write the question numbers properly. So don't forget to mention your roll number. If the features have been already marked in the question, then you have to label the spot correctly and name the place as well. In the next set of questions, the spot won't be marked. So we have to mark the spot and label them. So you may use certain symbols or label them and the given key at one corner saying what each symbol indicate all. You may directly label them at the place. Both the methods are correct. Most of the students find these map questions difficult. Why we would suggest you to analyze all the previous year question papers irrespective of whether the paper pattern has changed. Again, while tying the map, don't tie it at the end of your answer sheet, as there is a chance of getting torn or misplaced. Just place it inside the answer sheet. So these are the few paper presentation tips of social studies. Now, while studying the subject, don't just learn answer by heart. Connect it with some events and try to learn them logically. Study one topic completely in a way you could answer and questions relate to it, even if you don't remember the answer word by word. Please don't leave them unattended. Frame it in your own word and write them. Try to form the story in mind so that it will be easy for you to relate. And remember them. Be careful with the dates. Try to relate it with some personal events so that you can remember them. Suppose if you are not sure or you are confused with some dates, it would be better that you don't mention them. Alright? Since so, here we end the session. Hope these tips were useful to you and help you to learn the subject. If you have really liked the session, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.